Good morning, children. How are you? You fine? Very good. All of you, you need to take your workbook. You have to take your workbook. Open. Open your workbook. Anadi, I gave the notes to you. I started the notes. Foggy figure notes. How many answers I gave? 3 answers I gave, no? Now I am giving 4th one. Complete it. 4th one. Were the children unhappy that there was no foggy figure after all? They know that when they saw foggy figure was Uncle Amar. When they knew that, are they happy or unhappy? A foggy figure Uncle Amar and Tilsaka, are they happy or unhappy? Happy? He is saying that they were unhappy. They were unhappy. Were they unhappy? No, they were happy only because they thought that the foggy figure was appearing in the boat and both are hugged and they were shivering. ఎప్పుడైతే foggy figure వాళ్ళ బ్యాక్ వాళ్ళ బోట్లో ఉందని తెలిసాక వాళ్ళు ఏమవుతారా ఇద్దరు హక్ చేసుకొని చాలా భయపడిపోతారు. When they knew that the foggy figure was Uncle Amar, they were very, very happy. Okay? I know. No. The children were happy. No. Were happy that there was a foggy figure. There was no foggy figure. No foggy figure after all. లేదంటే తెలిసాక చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతారు. Do you think it was dangerous for Samir and Sarah to venture out into the boat deck? Why do you think so? Just for your answer. Is it good? Is this danger or not? The 2 children went to the boat deck. They went to the lake alone. They are very small. Is this danger to them or not? చిన్న పిల్లలు లేక్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళడము బోట్లో వెళ్ళడం is this dangerous or not? It's truly dangerous. Truly dangerous. Because if they slip, they may dive into the water. They may dive into the water. That's what it is too dangerous. Okay? Dip into the water. I think it was dangerous. I think it was dangerous for Samir and Sarah. Samir and Sarah to venture out onto the boat deck because it was truly dangerous. Because if they slip slipped down from the, if they slip down from the boat duck, they may dip, they may dip in the lake. అంటే వాటర్లో మునిగిపోతారు. After that what happened? They may die. That's what it is not correct to going alone. I think it was dangerous for Samir and Sarah to venture out onto the boat deck, because if they slip down from the boat deck, they may dip in the lake. Next, is the title suitable for the story? Can you think of any other title? What is the lesson name? Title means lesson name. Our lesson name is Foggy Figure. Is it okay? The lesson name is okay? Or you are suggesting one more lesson name? నీకు ఆ లెసన్ నేమ్ నచ్చిందా? ఇంకోటి సజెస్ట్ చేస్తావా? Actually it is good, but we can suggest one more also. That is Bravery Children also. Okay? Yes. Yes, the title is suitable for the story. It's good only. The title is good, but if you give a chance to me, to keep title, I choose Bravery Children or Brave Children. This is a title. Yes, the title is suitable for the story. If you give a chance to me to keep title, I choose Brave Children. I'll keep that title. Okay? Okay. Next, classify the following nouns appropriately. Means we have to separate them into proper nouns, compound nouns, material nouns and collective nouns. Proper noun names, special names, specific names are proper nouns. Compound nouns, joining of two words. Tablecloth, table is another word, cloth is another word. Tablecloth is a one more single noun. It is a compound noun. Material nouns, water, gold. Materials, wood, plastic. The materials are the material nouns are called material nouns. Collective nouns, collective, the groups. Bunch of grapes means that is a group of grapes. A group of grapes is called as bunch. Bunch of keys. Group of keys is called as bunch. Crowd of people. People group is called a crowd. Means that is a collective noun. Collective means group. Okay? Proper noun. Compound noun. Material noun. Collective nouns. Okay. Next, first one, grasshopper. Grass plus hopper. It's a compound noun. Write down the compound noun. Grasshopper. Next one, moonlight. Moon plus light. Moonlight. It's a compound noun. Next, herd. Herd of elephants. Elephants group is called a herd. It's a collective noun. Write down. Next, cement. Cement is a material. It's a material noun. Next, diamond, also material. Diamond. Next, wood. Wood is also a material. Raju. Raju is the proper noun. Person name. Person. Specific name is there to the person, that is Raju. Raju is the proper noun. Next, gold. Gold is a material, means material noun. Sand is also material. Next, India is a country name. India is the country name, means proper noun. Next, Rio Olympics. Olympics name is Rio. So, it's a proper noun. Next, Paris is also the country name. Taj Mahal is a place name. Place name is Taj Mahal. So it's a proper noun. Superstar. Super plus star. Superstar. It's a compound noun. Tribe. Tribe of a group of people is called tribe. It's a collective noun. Fleet. Fleet of birds. Birds group is called a fleet. Means collective noun. Wheelchair. Wheel plus chair. Wheelchair is the compound noun. Next, bundle. Bundle is also a collective noun. Bundle of books. Bundle of grapes. Next, lifeboat. Life plus board. Lifeboat is the compound noun. Okay, on the days. Rabi. Take next page. Here, make see if the underlined noun is countable. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. And you, if it is uncountable, one is done for you. If it is countable, here Nana, book. Can we count books? How many books are there with me? 1, 2. Book is a countable noun because it is able to count. We are able to count the books. Count చేసేది countable noun. Can you count rice? Can you count dal? Can you count milk? Can you count oil? Can you count water? 1 water, 2 water, like that. Can you count? We can't count that. It is the uncountable noun. A noun which is able to count, and count cheyagaligeде countable noun. A noun which is unable to count is the uncountable noun. Okay? A noun which is unable to count cheyaleనిది uncountable nouns. Now the words are underlined, the nouns are underlined. Just we have to write it is a countable noun or an uncountable noun. For the countable noun we have to keep C. For uncountable noun we have to keep U. Countable noun కేమో C పెట్టాలి, uncountable noun కేమో U పెట్టాలి. Okay? I don't like juice. Can we count juice? You can't count. That's what already it is done for you. He kept U means uncountable. And count చేయలేం కదా, అందుకని uncountable అని పెట్టాడు. Next, my mother uses butter to prepare cakes. Can we count cakes? 1 cake, 2 cakes, 3 cakes. Can we count like that? Yes, we are able to count. So the cakes is a countable noun. Write down C. C. Next. There are a lot of benches in our school. Benches. How many benches are there in your class? Can you count? 1 bench, 2 bench, 3 bench, like that. So we are able to count now. So benches is a countable noun. Keep C. Benches. Underline and keep C. We need some glue to paste the papers. Glue. Glue means gum. Can we count that? Can you count the liquid? 1 glue, 2 glue, like that. We can count the bottles, but we can't count the glue. A glue ni count cheyalemu, but we can count the bottles. Okay? But we can't count a glue ni count cheyamu. Water ni count chestavaru. Can we count the water? It's liquid. Can we count milk? 1 milk, 2 milk, అలా కౌంట్ చేస్తావా మిల్క్ ని? We can't count because these are the liquids. Glue also a liquid. Liquids ని మనం కౌంట్ చేయలేము. It's uncountable. So glue uncountable. Next. My father drinks 2 big glasses of water every morning. Big glasses means glass. Can we count glasses? How many glasses are there? How many glasses of water did you drink in this morning? ఈరోజు పొద్దున నువ్వు ఎన్ని గ్లాసుల వాటర్ తాగావు అడిగాను అనుకో, యూ కెన్ కౌంట్ 1 glass, 2 glass, 3 glass, like that. గ్లాస్ మన ఇంట్లో ఉండే గ్లాస్ ఉంటాయి చూడు, ఆ గ్లాస్ మనం కౌంట్ చేయగలం. యూ కెన్ కౌంట్ ద గ్లాసెస్. ఓకే? Glasses is the countable one. The cookies my mother bakes are delicious. Cookies. Again count cookies. Your mother is preparing cookies now. You can count that. Next, runners must be careful. The road is slippery. Runners. How many runners are there? Can you count them? Can you count the runners? Yes, we are able to count now. ఎంతమంది పరిగెత్తుతున్నారు మనం కౌంట్ చేయలేమా? How many members are running? We can count them. So it's a countable now. He read many books to collect additional information. Can you count information? Can you count information? Information. How much information she gave you? How? We can ask like that. ఎంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇచ్చింది అని చెప్పగలం. కానీ ఎన్ని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్స్ వచ్చాయి నీకు? How many informations we got? One information, two information. నువ్వు మీ ఫ్రెండ్తో ముచ్చట్లాడుతున్నావురా, యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ చిట్ చాటింగ్. ఎంతసేపు చేసావని అడగగలరు. మరి ఎంత చేసావు, ఎన్నిసార్లు చేసావు? హౌ కెన్ వి ఆస్క్? ఎన్ని ముచ్చట్లు? కెన్ వి సే? కెన్ వి కౌంట్ దెమ్? వి కాంట్ కౌంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్సీన్. మనం దీన్ని చూడలేము కాబట్టి ఇది అన్కౌంటబుల్. Too much furniture makes the room look small. Furniture also uncountable. We are making benches, tables like that with the furniture, with the wood. వుడ్తో తయారు చేస్తాం. వుడ్ ఈజ్ ద అన్కౌంటబుల్ థింగ్, బట్ బెంచ్, టేబుల్ ఈజ్ ద కౌంటబుల్ థింగ్. ఓకే, furniture. Uncountable. Next, the singer was singing a beautiful song. Can we count songs? Song. We can count songs. She sang one song, two songs, three songs, four songs. We can count like that. We can count the songs. ఎన్ని పాటలు పాడింది అని సాంగ్స్ కౌంట్ చేయగలం మనం. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ కౌంట్ ద సాంగ్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ కౌంటబుల్. నెక్స్ట్, ద పోలీస్ గేవ్ ద పీపుల్ ఎ పీస్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వైస్. ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, అడ్వైస్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ అన్కౌంటబుల్స్. ఇవి మనము అమ్మా some words here. Book is there. With the book we can use our sense organs about the book. While we are reading the book, our eyes are working. It is a sense organ. While we are touching the book, our hands are touching it, means the skin is the sense organ. The sense organ is using there. We use sense organs for some of the nouns. While we are writing the book, our hands, we are using our hands. We are using our fingers, means skin is using there. ఇక్కడ స్కిన్ యూజ్ అవుతుందంటే సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్ యూజ్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఫర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద థింగ్స్ we are using our sense organs for some of the nouns. కొన్ని సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్కి మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. we use our sense organ for some of the nouns. Here, advice. Can you see the advice? There is sense organ is used. Can you touch the sensor? Can you touch the information? Can you touch the advice? దాన్ని టచ్ చేస్తావారా, చూస్తావా, కనబడుతుందా నీకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్? ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ సీన్, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ ఏబుల్ టు టచ్, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ ద టేస్ట్. నో, ఫర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద నౌన్స్ ద సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ యూజ్డ్. కొన్నింటికి సెన్స్ ఆర్గన్స్ యూజ్ అవ్వవు. దే ఆర్ అన్కౌంటబుల్స్. అవన్నీ కూడా అన్కౌంటబుల్సే. Advice is also a uncountable because sense organs are not used. I want to hang a picture on the wall. Pictures, photo frames. Can we count? Photo frames count chestava nuvu? Yes, we are able to count. How many photos have you taken? You can collect 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Means photo frames also a pictures, no? So we are able to count the pictures. Picture is a countable. The paintist played soft music for his audience. Music. We can't count the music. We are able to count the songs. ఎన్ని పాటలు పాడిందని సాంగ్స్ కౌంట్ చేయగలం. బట్ we can't count the music. We can't count the music. Music is the uncountable one. Rice is the staple food in many countries. Rice. We are unable to count. Rice. Uncountable. My teacher doesn't research before she teaches us any new topic. Research. Also a uncountable. The scenery in Kashmir is beautiful. Here scenery is the uncountable one. Complete it. Next, complete the sentences with the plural forms of the given nouns. Baby. What is the plural form of baby? Babies. Write down. Babies. Babies are cute, aren't they? Babies are cute, no? In autumn, leaves fall from dash. Here tree is given. What is the plural form of tree? Trees. Write down. Next, she likes dash. Puppy. Puppy plural form is puppies. I have got a pair of dash. Jean. Full plural form is jeans. Spider-Man and Superman are my dash. Hero. Hero plural is heroes. Heroes. Let's put these books inside the dash. Box plural is boxes. I have to start using dash. Spectacle plural is spectacles. Spectacles. They are from different dash. Country. Country plural is countries. And if you take your workbook, I am giving homework to you. Identify and write two words which represent the given picture in each box. Observe which word between the two is a proper noun and capitalizing it. Here someone, here common noun and proper noun both are given. Here common noun and proper noun both are given. And also two blanks are given. ఇక్కడ two blanks ఇచ్చాడు. ఏం చేయాలి? పైన నువ్వు write common noun and write down proper noun. Here first one amma. Here I will take this picture. What is this? Mahanadi. This was Sweta dog. Sweta and teacher. If we take this picture, actually she is a teacher. She is a teacher. A teacher is given here. Teacher. Teacher right here. Teacher is a common noun. Write down here teacher. Two blanks are given. No? Here picture is given. ఇక్కడ పిక్చర్ ఇచ్చాడు అవునా? ఇక్కడ పైన ఒక బ్లాంక్ ఇచ్చాడు, కింద ఒక బ్లాంక్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఇక్కడ పైన ఏం రాయాలి మీరు? యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ద కామన్ నౌన్. కామన్ నౌన్ ఇస్ ద టీచర్. Common noun is the teacher. Actually, she is a teacher. What's her name? Her name is Sweta. What's her name? The teacher name is Sweta. Sweta is a proper noun. You have to write down proper noun here. ఇక్కడ పైన నేమో కామన్ నౌన్ రాయాలి, కిందనేమో ప్రాపర్ నౌన్. హియర్ Sweta. While you are writing the proper noun, ప్రాపర్ నౌన్స్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఖచ్చితంగా క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్ పెట్టాలి. ఎస్ షుడ్ బి క్యాపిటల్ వైల్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్. ఓన్లీ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్. ఇక్కడ టీచర్ ఉందిరా, నేను స్మాల్ టీనే పెట్టాను. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ టీచర్ ఈజ్ ఎ కామన్ నౌన్. టీచర్ కామన్ నౌన్ కాబట్టి స్మాల్ లెటర్ పెట్టాను. ఓకే, శ్వేత ఈజ్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ నౌన్. దట్స్ వాట్ క్యాపిటల్ ఎస్. Sweta, like that. Okay, are you able to complete this? Chestarara paini meyale. You have to write the common nouns. First select the common nouns. First select the common noun. Here this is a movie. He is Bahubali. Yes, it's a movie. Movie is given. Movie is given. Movie is the common noun. Movie is the common noun. Who is he? He is Bahubali. Bahubali is a proper noun. Write down here Bahubali and B should be capital. ఖచ్చితంగా B ఏం రాయాలి? క్యాపిటల్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, పైన మొత్తం కామన్ నౌన్ రాయండి, కింద ప్రాపర్ నౌన్స్ రాసేటప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ షుడ్ బి క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఎస్ క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టాను కదా, అట్లా క్యాపిటల్ పెట్టాను. Okay, that is your homework. This page is your homework. Complete your work. Okay, bye.